Hello, my name is Diamond Lisa Turrentine, and I am a graduate in the CPS program at PTTI. My mom, she was just researching, trying to help me find somewhere that I could go, and she said, what about PTTI on Girard Avenue? I said, okay, we can check that out. So they mentioned that they have a central processing sterilization program, and I wasn't quite sure what that entails. So they said, that's where you clean the instruments for surgical procedures and all types of other procedures. So I said, okay, that sounds fun. That sounds different. It's in the medical field. And I say, why not give it a shot? Well, what inspired me is the fact that I'm cleaning the instruments, so that way we're trying to make sure that patients are our number one priority, because we all want to go to a hospital where you feel comfortable and you trust that everything is going to go according to plan. So we are the heart of the hospital, basically, and it is our absolute duty to make sure that they don't have anything to worry about and everything goes smoothly as possible. What kept me motivated was basically my son, because I'm not just doing it for me, I'm doing it for him. And every time I see that little face, it's like I gotta do it for him. I have to do it for him. And because I'm adulting now. I'm 24 years old, and pretty soon in 6 years I'll be 30. So I want to be established. I want to learn how to become more of an adult, because you're not getting younger. Let's call a spade a spade. So, that's what basically kept me motivated is my son. And I also motivate myself too, like, do it for you, do it for him. Growing up in this crazy world, education is definitely at the forefront. And education no one take that away from you. And that's why I want him to understand. Do not get distracted by unnecessary things that will hinder your journey to becoming great. I want him to grow up to be a well-rounded, self-sufficient man. I look in the mirror and I know I'm in competition with myself. Sometimes I feel like I'm my worst enemy. But I also realize, I'm here for a reason. I would not be here, just for any reason. I came here and I feel like this was meant to be. I can do something with myself. I can do something for my son and give back to my mom and my grandmom, although they say not to worry about it, but I cannot help it. They've helped me so far. So that's basically my proudest moment, is basically coming here. I would love to thank my mom and my grandma. They pushed me, they supported me, they helped me throughout this. I'm blessed for them. I want to thank Miss Tyra for being so hard on all of us, not just me, but all of us. She, as she would say, do your due diligence. If you want this, it'll show. If you want this, you'll get it. I would like to thank my peers, my classmates, for being so uplifting and positive. I would also like to thank, the rest of the staff for doing the best that they can in these crazy times, especially with coronavirus. I would also like to thank my god sister, Divana. She's been my number one supporter. She's the only one that will just jump out and say, my sister did it, and I love her for that. I would like to say, y'all did it. We did it. And you can do anything. I cannot stress that enough. And I need to stress that on myself more, because I've done it. We did it. And also, I would actually like to, welcome class of 2021, and that they made the right decision by coming into this program. You're going to be fine. Just breathe. Yes, it gets tough, but what in life does not get tough? You can do it. Look, I'm a walking proof that I've done it, so you can do it. And I just, don't give up. Don't be so hard on yourself. And easier said than done, but you can do it. And that's it. You can do it, y'all. You guys can do it.